CarSnap AI is a brand new car identifier tool that's taking the AI world by storm. And if you've ever struggled with identifying cars or needed a reliable tool to do it for you, you're going to want to stick around for this review. In today's video, I'll be covering 7 crucial things you need to know about CarSnap AI and why it might just be the best new AI software you need in your arsenal. Now, if you're new to CarSnap AI, you'll be excited to know that you can try it completely free from the first link in the description below. So keep watching, because we're diving deep into the features, usability, and overall performance of this game-changing tool. And trust me, by the end of this, you'll know exactly why CarSnap AI is something you don't want to miss. First off, CarSnap AI is a cutting-edge tool designed to help you identify cars simply by uploading a photo. It's powered by deep learning and AI, enabling the software to instantly recognize cars, their models, make, year, and even their specific features. This means no more guesswork when you spot a car you like on the road or in a parking lot. The app is highly accurate, and it provides results in seconds, making it incredibly useful for car enthusiasts, car salespeople, and anyone who just wants to know more about the cars around them. One of the most impressive things about CarSnap AI is its ease of use. The interface is incredibly user-friendly, so even if you're not a tech expert, you'll find it easy to navigate. Simply upload a picture, and within moments, the app identifies the car. The app is also designed to handle a variety of photo qualities, so whether you have a high-resolution image or a quick snap, it still delivers accurate results. Another standout feature of CarSnap AI is its database, which is continuously updated with new models. This ensures that no matter what car you're trying to identify, the software has the latest information. You won't run into outdated or missing data, which can be a problem with some older car identification tools. In terms of functionality, CarSnap AI also offers additional information once it identifies the car. This includes detailed specifications like engine type, fuel efficiency, and even market value. This makes it a great resource not just for identifying cars, but also for getting a better understanding of the vehicles you're looking at, whether you're buying, selling, or just browsing. While CarSnap AI is already a powerful tool on its own, it's also scalable. That means if you're a business looking to integrate car identification into your operations, whether for a dealership or an auto body shop, CarSnap AI can work seamlessly with your existing systems. This scalability makes it a great option for professionals in the automotive industry. However, like any AI software, it's not perfect. There are a few limitations to CarSnap AI, especially when it comes to very rare or unique vehicles. The software may not always be able to provide 100% accuracy in these cases, but for everyday cars, it performs exceptionally well. Just keep that in mind if you're using it for specialized vehicles. Now you might be wondering, is it worth it? For anyone who frequently deals with cars, whether for personal, professional, or hobby reasons, CarSnap AI is a valuable tool. The convenience, speed, and accuracy it offers for identifying vehicles make it an essential app to have in your toolkit. As we wrap up, I just want to say that after trying thousands of AI software tools, CarSnap AI definitely stands out. If you're interested in trying it for yourself, make sure to check out the link in the description below. I've also got some of my recommended AI software options down there, so you can get your hands on the best tools I found after extensive testing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.